Hey everyone, so quick status video because frankly it's been ages since I produced a video for the secondary channel, and for that my main reason is that I couldn't even keep up with the schedule for the main channel. And what's the point of making videos for this channel with like a handful of people subscribed when you are time constrained? About that time constraint, actually I made it for myself, and this is something like a lesson learned. So if you spend too much time on how you produce the video and not on the contents of the video, then you will not reach your goals. So I spent too much time on figuring out details like how would the lighting be perfect, or what should I do with the audio to sound even better and stuff like that. And for each video I ended up with, okay, this will not cut it, I will just reshoot again and do tweaks and spend time on trying to find the perfect filters for the audio, and Jesus, lot of time and fiddling around with microphones and audio formats and at some point I just realized that my channel is suffering for this. I have to stop with this madness, and I just need to concentrate on actual content. So I stirred up things a bit. I decided that there will be a fixed camera, a fixed lighting, a fixed audio I'm somewhat satisfied with, not like the perfect audio, but something I call okay-ish. And then I will get back to the weekly schedule instead of 1 or 2 videos per month, and I will concentrate on actual content. Why? Because there are actually people who are kind enough to give feedback, to encourage me, to ask for videos, to subscribe, to thumbs up on the videos and whatnot. And as a content creator, I think I should just concentrate on providing for them. So again, lesson learned. And for that, this is where I am now. So with the electronics lab in the back, with the simple but effective lighting, and with the audio I'm somewhat satisfied with. This will be the format for the upcoming few videos at least. If you don't like it, or if you have ideas for suggestions, don't hold it back, just use the comments. And I hope to get back to that schedule. Anyway, again, I only meant for this as a quick status video, so that is what I wanted to say, that is what I wanted to show, and I'm already shooting the next video for the main channel. So that's it, guys. If you haven't subscribed to the channel and found this video by accident, or I don't know, then please check out the main channel, subscribe to that one. If you're interested in like what's happening behind the scenes, subscribe to this secondary channel as well. I will be grateful for it. But other than that, hope to see you next time, next week, this time for real, with the new video. Take care out there. Bye.